do one quick back stitch. All I'm going to do is a single straight stitch. Let me fix this real quick. I want to make sure. Okay. I had it flipped around there for a second. And I just hold my material in place, starting off, like I said, with my quick back stitch. And then I'm just doing just a simple straight stitch, the finest straight stitch setting on my sewing machine. And my material's getting off track. I'll be right back. Give me just a moment, guys. Sorry. I just scoot the material back. And then I sew all the way to my straight pin. That's where I know my stopping point is there, so I go to my back stitch. And that is it. I'll take this out. We'll just cut the excess string off. And I'll clip those off. I'll clip those parts off camera just to save time for the video. But as you can see, this end is now closed. And this end, I'll just have to do the same thing, but it's open so you get the drift of what it is that I do. So I'm going to sew this end off camera and I'll be back. I'm so sorry. I did fail to mention to make sure that you do turn your infinity scarf inside out before you do your straight stitch. That way you can have a nice clean stitch on the outside. And now I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm back with my second, sorry about the glare, I'm trying to see how I can get this out. I'm here with my second camisole. I got these from Walmart. They were marked down to $1. And they were just oversized camisoles. And I really wanted an infinity scarf because I just have a newborn. I just had a newborn. And I didn't feel like paying the amount of money they're charging in the store. So I said, I can just make my own. And it just so happened I found these camisoles. Sorry about my finger. Good Lord. Here we go. Much better. I found these oversized camisoles. And with this one, I'm not going to sew it. All I'm going to do is cut across and take the strap off. And pretty much I'll be done. But I'm going to show you what my other scarf looks like that I did. So I'm going to have two because I need one for home and one for work because I'm also going to be pumping. And the infinity scarf just will allow me to have myself covered up and I can have even more privacy. So I'll show you the other camisole. So this is what the other camisole looks like, and basically all I did was I sewed the sides. There's an opening here for the neck and the other side is closed, so therefore when I wear this will sit on my shoulders, my head will be out here, shoulders, everything completely covered. There's no way anybody will be able to see anything. I can also wear this out in public to where when I have it on, I will show an example what it looks like with both of these on, the one that I sewed and the one that I did not sew. And you can see how I wear it. So I'll be right back. I'm going to cut the straps off of the other one. Okay, so here's your more simple infinity scarf, and basically it's the easiest thing. All I'm going to do is I'm going to start to cut off the straps, and here I like to start like right here on the corner, and I'm just going to cut straight across. And again, no sewing required. So for those of you who don't sew or who don't feel like sewing, even if you do know how to sew, you just want something quick and easy, this is like the quickest and easiest thing ever. And if you're like me, if you're able to find a camisole at a really cheap price, I do know Forever 21 also has relatively cheap camisoles that you can get. Walmart does too, actually. I think the most their camisoles are like $3 or something. It's nothing too crazy. It just so happened I was there on a day where they had them marked down for $1, and they only had oversized camisoles that were marked down at the time. And bam, that's pretty much it. You don't have to do anything else to this. You are done. This is your finished product. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you what both of these look like on. I'll be right back.